Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the drag and drop website builder in Odoo. So using the drag and drop builder in this platform is one of the easiest ways to create a professional website without coding. So actually guys, first you only just open the website editor right here and then visit your home page. So for example, this one, home. Okay, and then click on edit in the top right corner, so that option, right? And the slash is the visual website builder, as you can see. So that's the official overview, right? And then you will need to understand builder layout. So you will see a live preview of your website, a left side bar containing blocks and customization tools, or a right sidebar, and a top controls for saving and publishing. Okay, so save, and once you click on save here, you will find publish if you want to turn it on or not. Okay, so everything updates visually and in real time. And now guys, you will need to add content blocks. So actually guys, you will need just to click on the block that you want to add content to, right? So for example, you can go with that one, and then for example, you will need just to click here or here to move it up or down. Okay, so just like that, as you can see. All right, and also if you want to add new content, image, extra, you can just go with okay, so a section here, for example, and then just drag it here, for example, and choose your style. So just like that. So actually guys, go with save once finished and make sure that you published it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.